Angela act. You're so creative. I just have to show you some of the cutest and coolest videos you've recorded last year. Ready? Watch this.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeast Cook County in south-central Illinois, Southeast Will County in south-central Illinois, Eastern DuPage County in south-central Illinois, until 7:43 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northbrook and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour winds gusts and baseball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect large hail and destructive winds are expected. Locations impacted include Cook, DuPage, McHenry, Will, and Lake County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of your Strudy building. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are almost close enough to be struck by lightning. Stay tuned for further details and information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Northeast Cook County in south-central Illinois until 7:54 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located in Anderson and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Chicago is in the direct path of this tornado. Take cover now. This is a tornado emergency for Cook County. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed funnel cloud. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly for those caught without shelter. Mobbable homes will be destroyed. Take cover now. Move to the interior room of a building. Avoid windows. If you are in a home, vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.